Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen Multivan Life. This vehicle comes in the metallic paint colour Reflex Silver and features a 1.4 petrol hybrid engine pushing out 218 PS. The vehicle also comes with a DSG 6-speed automatic gearbox. This vehicle comes with LED headlamps with separate LED daytime running lights. Down below the vehicle sits on these 16-inch Syracuse silver alloy wheels, which come in a multi-spoke design and give a nice finish to the multivan. Dotted along the rear bumper is a set of rear parking sensors, and just above the rear number plate is a rear view camera. Moving into the boot space of this multivan, there is a sizable amount of space in the boot area, complete with a few multiple lashing points as well as a parcel shelf. The space can be increased by moving the bench forward. This van comes with twin power sliding doors which can be operated from the key fob. Taking a look now into the rear of the vehicle, there are 3 individual seats at the back which have different options for each passenger comfort. All the seats in this van come finished in the Ribella two-tone cloth upholstery in a raven black and a sand colour combination. The 2 middle seats can be adjusted, moving forward and even folding down, as well as having access to 2 foldable tables in front of them. This multivan comes with a multi-function table that has a few different features. It can slide all the way forward or all the way back and has multiple drinks holders as well as 2 foldable tables. Up front in the cab there is some more of the Ribella two-tone cloth upholstery, plenty of leg space for the front passenger as well as the driver. The vehicle also comes with a 10-inch colour touchscreen Discover Media infotainment system including navigation. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather finished steering wheel. This vehicle comes with minimum 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year's roadside assistance. For any further information you can inquire online or call us on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.